So today I'm going to continue this lesson. The test in the previous class I have explained you about how the minister going to retire from this place, and the king gave him an option to search for a good person and good suitable person for that place. Okay. Hope do you all understood first page whatever I have done, isn't it? Okay. The chief minister thought for some days and then asked the royal announcer to announce that a sports meet would be held in the capital next month. So what happened? The chief minister asked thought for some days, asking a royal announcement. You all know that, for example, if we are opening a new school or something else, we are going to announce by the pamphlets or some mics, speaker, everything, isn't it? By the auto, lorry, something, we are going to do that if something announcement. So he said that announcer, in the olden days, announcer means they're going to road by road and they're going to announce that we want like this. Any person is suitable for this place, come and attend the interview. Okay, the interview means they are going to participate in this sports, whatever they have given that sports, mentioned the sports, they have to participate in that. So announced to that a sport meet would be held in the capital next month. Next month there will be a sports. So who all are fit and suitable for that place, come and attend it, the sports. All the young men of the kingdom should take part in that meet. So all the young men who all are strong, fit, all came. Oh, I will be the minister next, I will be the minister. So if I won this sports, I will be that place. So I will be a great person in that place. Okay. He should also announce that the most eligible participant would be appointed in the royal court. Only if anybody else after participating in that sports who are going to win, and also we are going to see that who all are eligible in that place, so only we will take them to the court. Instead of that, we won't take them to the court. Okay. So he should announce that the most eligible participant would be appointed in the royal court. The chief minister himself would judge the person from amongst all the participants. So chief minister itself judge the person. Not there is no part of the king, because king is going to trust the chief minister, isn't it? So he left all the work to be done for the chief minister only. So he said, chief minister only, I'll give you the all work, it's meant for you only. You have to select the chief next upcoming chief minister, suitable person in this place. So I'll give the chance to you only. You have to select it. So what happened? The chief minister see the participants. Oh, he is fit for this sports. You also fit for this sports. Come. He started selecting. For example, for in the singing competition, you can see now all the singing the singers will come and sing. Some participants, not singer, participants will come and sing, and then the judges going to select that participants. Then they give the chance to singing, isn't it? You all seen maybe in the TVs and all. So like this, the minister also selecting the participants. The announcement sent a wave of excitement among the young men of the kingdom. And also the announcement also sent in a way it's very exciting. Oh, who will be the next? Who will be the next? Who will come into suitable person to be appointed in that place? All are eagerly waiting for that, to see that person, isn't it? Even now also we are waiting for a new minister, right? Chief minister. You all come to know that. Chief Minister will be going to change. Our Chief Minister Yediyurappa is going to change. So we are waiting. Who will be the next Chief Minister? Isn't it? So excitement, that is a young man of the kingdom. Everybody was interested to take part in the sports meet. Everybody are interested. Who will miss this type of chance, isn't it? No one will going to miss this type of chance. So all are interested to participate in this sports and serve the royal court. So young man in large number from every nook and corner of the kingdom assemble in the capital to try their luck. For every small line, for example, in the villages you can see that next road, coming road, upcoming road, everything will be there. No, corner houses, person also started participating in this sports. So let them try. It's a luck, no? If anybody won this in this match, so it's luck meant for them. The chief minister asked his man to lodge those participants in the royal guest house and look after them well. So all are selected in this sports, we have to take care of them in the well manner. So keep them in the guest house, like a guest house, and look after them well, getting them good clothes, food, everything. All of them were allowed to spend their time in the way they liked. Hey, I want chicken, I want mutton, all this. They started to ask, no, whatever they used to ask, just give them. Okay, we have to take care of them very well. The young man in the royal guest house were quite happy. The young men are in the guest house, they are very quite happy. Hey, we are getting royal treatment, you know. Hey, it's very nice, no? We have nice food, nice dress, everything we are getting. AC, fan, everything we are getting. So, in the olden days, in the kingdom days and all, there will be no AC and all. Something, some extra. Okay. They were getting good food and everything they need without any cost. They should not pay anything. If we go any hotels or restaurant, we have to pay for each and everything, for little bit cloth also, some tissue also we have to pay. Even one water bottle is 20 rupees, isn't it? So in the kingdom, they wouldn't give anything. Simply they have to come and sit. Everything will be come near to them only. So would love just to sleep away the day, and some others spend their time in the reading books. Some people will spend their time in the reading books also. Meanwhile, the chief minister had asked a few of his trusted men to secretly keep a watch on the activities of these young men. They won't leave them as it is they want. They have keep some secret people. Something they are roaming here and there only, but they are watching each and everyone. Oh, what this fellow is doing, what this fellow is doing. Oh, he is good manner, huh? Somehow he is watching. Oh, she is very good. She is. He can do this. He is doing like this. He is running like this. He is speaking like this. All this they are going to watch. Every day he would call a group of young men from among them, ask some simple questions, and would send them back after selecting only one of the participants. Many days passes in this way, and at last only a few of them were left. What happened? There was most of the people, all village young people came to participate in this sports. What happened? They cannot select all those of them, no. So for that minister post, they should be in the good knowledge also. They started calling one by one for the test. Daily they used to ask the questions for some people. They going to, if some people will going to answer, if some young mans do not answer for them, so they'll send them out. Okay, you are not selected, you can go today itself. Like this, day by day, day to day, it's over. At last, what happened? Only few of them were left. Few young men are left. At last, the chief minister announced the date of the sports meeting. What happened? At last, some young men are selected for the sports. He announced the date. Oh, today we are going to conduct an sports. You have to participate in this sports, so that we are going to announce the minister. Okay. The participants were asked to assemble in the big ground early in the morning. There was a big ground, huge, big acres ground. All the participants come and assemble like this in the morning, early morning, where they had to show their skills. The king, accompanied by the chief minister and some other courtiers, came to watch their talent. Not only the minister, in some other different countries, like kings also came to watch their skills. Oh, he is well mannered, he played very nice, everything. They all are sitting in the full of there. In the side you can see there will be a stages, and all the kings will going to some other different countries. Kings are going to sit there. You all seen in some other old films, right? To see their talents, all the participants knew well that it was their only test before one of them could get a good job in the royal court. Therefore, each of them was eager to do his best. So, all are waiting to do his work best. So, I should be take care of suitable for that place. So, I have to do my work, I have to show my talent, I have to run fast, or any other skills, any other sports they are going to conduct. In that sports, I have to do well. They are getting their best. They participate in different games, not only running race or something. In the olden days, in the kingdom days and all, you can see, in Dasara time you can see some different games will be there. Isn't it? Weightlifting, something and all will be there. So arrows, weightlifting, everything will be there. Like that, there will be a different games for them. None of them were inferior to other in any cases. Nevertheless, the first third winners of every games were returned for the next round. At last, there was only 15 candidates left. So, in the all the games, some people are started, some young men started participating. In all the games, there will be a 3 members are selected. If like in running race, 3 persons, and weightlifting, 3 persons have been selected. And next, in one more in arrows and all, 3 persons are selected. So all these different games, they selected 3 persons. At last, they did same. They conducted games, some games and all, and at last there will be only 15 candidates are left. Only 15 young men are left. So last event of the day was a marathon race. Marathon race means they give some long kilometer of race. In that race they have to round it and they have to come in same places. So he is a winner of this game, sports. Okay. The participants were asked to go round the main market area of the capital within a stipulated time. Stipulated time means they have kept some time within 1 hour, 2 hours. Within that time you have to be here. Okay. The winner of the race would get the coveted appointed means you will get the appointed as soon as you will get the if your rice is wind. Okay. The race begins. One of the young men ran so fast that he soon overtook all the other candidates. What happened? One person started running so fast, he overtook all the candidates and he was running so fast. They covered the market area and started returning back to the game area. So what happened? He covered all the market area. This is the market area. He covered all the market area and returning to back to his place, game area. So you have to come back now that area. The young man was still well ahead of all the other participants. Everybody was cheering all the participants but was sure that he would win and rise the get his prize. Oh, come on, come on, come on. All are shouting, hey, shouting all the names. All are favor is there, no? Some person, all the person will be having favor. Like Lekana, 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 like this. All some other children, they'll start screaming your names. Okay, Harika, Lekana, everyone started screaming. So they'll get somewhat josh to run from here to there. So suddenly he stopped. One person suddenly stopped. Why they stopped? There on the side of the road was lying one old man. What happened? One old man is laying in the roadside. He couldn't get up. He can't walk also. He's very old man. He couldn't walk. So he lying on the roadside. Probably he had stumbled and fallen on the ground. He couldn't get up also. He stumbled and he fallen down on the ground. He was grieved his great pain. It's getting more pain. He couldn't walk also. His leg is getting more pain. The young man hesitated for the moment. He looked back at the other contestant and then returned and moved towards the old man. What happened? He has looked back like this. All the contestants are only concentrating on this running. They didn't see, they are not at all concentrating on that old fellow. What they are doing? Oh, let it be. First we have to win this match. Okay, we want to win this match. We want to be in that place, minister place. So they all started running. But one fellow stopped running. He saw that old man. So he turned moving towards that old man. So what happened? He started running towards the old man. Okay children, this is what the second page is over. Next page I am going to continue in the next class. This is what I hope you all understood these two pages. Okay, thank you children.